Today is Wednesday, and Wednesdays are Galactic ETR Day. The Energy Transfer Reset practitioners, or ETR practitioners, get together in the ethers and perform this energy transfer and reset for all of those physical and non-physical beings who would like to see a transformation in their life. We do this every week. And I've already mentioned in previous videos that you can add your name to my list to receive this ETR. And not only do you receive it during the Galactic Wednesdays, but also any other time throughout the week that I do an energy transfer reset. And I usually do them 1 or 2 extra times during the week. So if you're interested, please add your name if you haven't already, and I will add you to my list. All you need to do is submit your name of anyone else you would like to receive the energy transfer reset. So I have my email address in the description below, so please feel free to add your name. The reason I'm telling you this is because I received a message from the Galactic Council and about the ETR and the energy that's going on in the universe right now, and how they are perceiving how we are responding. So this was a good opportunity for me to present this message to you. It's very positive, and I enjoyed it, and I hope it resonates with you. So take a listen. If you like, please comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. So anyways, I appreciate all of you. I wish you well. I hope you're having a very good week. Take care. I'll be back soon.
We are the Galactic Council, and we are very pleased to be here today. As we speak, as we communicate with all of those willing to listen, we are resetting the timelines of many beings on Earth who are 3D and 4D and also 5D. Resetting these timelines have been granted by all of those spirit guides and higher selves who are diligently working to raise the vibration of all on Earth. This reset we are doing as the moment goes forward. This momentum is gaining much strength. There are times when these resets may seem to be in a reverse trend. This may be true for many, but those in the 4th and 5th dimensions are forever pouring forth their support for those that are are stuck in a vibration that may not allow for the full release of these timelines. We encourage those who are working diligently to maintain a conscious awareness to keep pouring forth their love. It is being felt by us and by others. We are helping with the resetting of timelines, but you must also hit that reset button. By resetting, we mean to continually allow these timelines to be cleared. To do this is to release your clinging to what others expect of you. We want to let you know that we are always moving forward. Some may say, where does it all end? There is no finish line. There is no stopping point to our evolution. The ego wants to tell you otherwise. When you let the power of your awareness take charge, the ego will surrender. As we speak, we are doing these energy transfer resets for the continued expansion of consciousness on Earth and throughout the galaxy. You are part of this. You are doing your part. Help those that are struggling. For your help with others is helping yourself. Despite appearances, we are pleased with what is happening with many on Earth and throughout the galaxy. We are continuing our work you must continue to do your work as well. We love you, and we are always at your side. And we appreciate all the work that you have done so far. We are the Galactic Council, and we are Pleiadians. pleased to have connected with all of you